Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can potentially fix you can only add 3 hashtags on Instagram. So if you're going on Instagram and then you're hitting the plus icon and you want to make a post and it's only allowing you to add 3 hashtags, what you can do is go out of the Instagram app and then open up your settings. Once you're on the main page of your settings, you want to scroll down and then you'll see apps. You want to tap onto apps and then scroll down, or you can use the search bar at the top right and search for Instagram. And then when you find Instagram, tap on it and then scroll down until you get storage. Tap on storage and there you'll see clear cache. You want to tap on clear cache, and what this can do is get rid of any sort of bugs within the Instagram app, like the only adding 3 hashtags on Instagram. Okay, then you can go out of the settings app and you can open up the Play Store. You want to search up for Instagram, and if you notice you have an update available, you want to update to the latest version of Instagram. Updating to the latest version of Instagram can also resolve issues like this. And then the other thing to take note of is that Instagram may or may not be testing this brand new feature. So right now, when you get the bug that you can only add 3 hashtags, they may be testing this to implement it permanently in the future. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Maybe the algorithm works best with just 3 hashtags and they're testing it out in phases to different users, and if the test becomes positive and it has a better impact on Instagram, then they may just switch to using 3 hashtags. So it may or may not be a bug, it may also just be a test. Okay, so if this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.